Accidentally deleted a photo on your iPhone? Don't panic. Here's how I got mine back in seconds. First, check recently deleted folder. For this, open the Photos app. Tap Albums. Scroll down to Recently Deleted. Use Face ID or passcode if prompted. If it's been less than 30 days since deletion, select the photo. Tap Recover. Confirm. Boom, it's back in your gallery. But what if the photo's already gone from there? Then try the second one using iCloud.com. First, go to Settings. Tap your name. Select iCloud. Choose Photos. Now check if Sync This iPhone is turned on or off. If it was off, the photo is permanently deleted. If it was on then, it can still be recovered. Open Safari. Visit iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap Photos. Browse through your cloud library. If you see the missing photo, select. Tap the three dots. Download. Again, tap on Download. Check your Downloads folder, and there it is. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, hit that subscribe for more smart iPhone tips.